the Biological Control Center under the Plant Protection Research Institute has found that durians in Vietnam are cultivated across various regions, each with its specific disease patterns. Therefore, in addition to the new National Food Safety Protocol, it's essential to standardize regional cultivation and pest management procedures.
It is crucial that we continue researching and evaluating soil quality and regionalized pest control. At the same time, training and awareness for growers, businesses, and regulatory bodies must be coordinated.
One concern raised after reviewing the new protocol is the role of inspectors. Stakeholders argue that there must be clear regulations about who these inspectors are. These individuals play a crucial connecting role. If inspectors act similarly to agricultural extension officers, they not only ensure quality control but can also advise households on adapting export requirements. Otherwise, this stage could become prone to dishonesty.
There are complications and risks with ambiguous guidance and regulations. It could give rise to so-called service brokers who act as middlemen and cause producers trouble.
The Vina Fruit has also proposed establishing rapid testing labs in growing areas. These would help farmers test soil, water, and fruit before export.
We need to prioritize testing to avoid bottlenecks. At the same time, we must coordinate with Chinese customs to prevent any hold-ups or rejected shipments.
With comprehensive and coordinated efforts, Vietnam's durian industry aims not only to strengthen its Chinese market presence, but also to expand into higher-end markets, ensuring safe, sustainable export growth.